Hey guys, welcome back to LS Tech. Today I've got the Sony S50G. It's a Google Assistant built-in speaker from Sony. So it's basically just like your Google Home, a Google Home Mini, but this one is made from Sony. This one goes for just under £200 here, UK guys. I'm going to leave some links in the description if you want to check it out. This is the box itself. It's pretty big. As you can see, we've got 360 degrees audio. It's IPX free, so you can use it in the kitchen and stuff like that. It's got touch-free gestures. You can use gestures. Of course, you got hands-free and it works with Google Home. You can use this with multiple rooms, so you can use it as a speaker and stuff like that. A lot more details, nothing else. The box itself, so let's open it up. So there's the speaker itself, as you can see. Let's take that out, put that to the side for a second and see what else we get inside. We've got some commands you can use on your Google Assistant, so that's great. So if you need tips and stuff, we've got some more documentaries, just some more literature and stuff like that. Who cares about that? Let's put that away. Inside we've got a power brick and nothing else. So this is a pretty huge power brick. It has to use a dedicated power, so yeah, let's put that to the side and just have a look at the speaker itself. So this is the speaker itself. As you can see, it says Sony at the bottom, at the top. You've got your mics, you've got your speaker inside, NFC touch point here. You can mute your speaker and you can power it up. And your power port here, you've got a rubber feet at the bottom, so that's always great. It's got an 8-watt speaker inside with you 360 degrees audio, so that's going to be nice. You can't open this up, so I can't show you that. But let me turn this on, power my phone, and get back to you guys. So I've turned it on, given it power, and I've used the Google Home app to connect it, so it's found it as the S50G. Gonna hit next. It's gonna connect to it now. So let's wait for that to connect. Still connecting. Yes, I heard the sound. Yes, I'm in. And where is it gonna be? It's in the office. Hit next. Yes. So let me just connect it to the Wi-Fi quickly. So now it's connecting to Wi-Fi. Give that a few more seconds. So while that's connecting, I'm just going to go with the design again. So at the front you've got this LED clock, which is a nice feature with the Home Max do not have, so you can always see the clock. It's got the same fabric finish at all the other homes. Top, as I said, you've got your microphones, your Sony logo. At the bottom you've got this chrome base, which is really nice. So it looks like it's actually paired up now. So I'm going to hit next. So now I've registered my voice. It's always going to pick up my voice and it's going to know it's asking from my account. It's going to pull up my details and my calendar and my stuff like that, which is always a great feature. I'm just going to hit next. Yeah, next.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant. I'm here to help. To learn a few things you can do, continue in the Google Home app.
Okay, now I've set it up so I can ask Google loads of different questions. So the first question: what's the weather like today?
Today in Coventry, there will be scattered showers with a forecast high of 13 and a low of 7. Currently it's 12 and partly cloudy.
So that's great. I can ask other question. What's the time?
It's 3:32.
As you can see, even though I have the display at the time, I can always ask that. I can ask for loads of different things. How tall is the Big Ben?
96 meters.
How many meters in a centimeter?
1 centimeter equals 0.01 meters.
So you can see that's really great. I can ask loads of different questions using Google now. So that's really great. So it's basically your OK Google that is everything. You can mute
Okay.
Google. Yeah, so as you can see, you can do loads of things, ask loads of questions. Overall, what I like about this is just how loud it is. The sound quality is just much better compared to the Google Home, anything like that. It's bigger as well, and you get your digital time, which is an amazing feature. I really wanted to see that on the Google Home, but no. So you have to get this speaker here. I like the design as well. It is familiar like the Apple HomePod, but there's nothing you can do. Overall, for the price, is really great. The speaker sound quality is amazing. I have to say it's nice and loud. I've had the Google Home Mini before, and that was not that loud in sound quality, but this is proper loud and is really nice. You can use this as a Bluetooth speaker as well, so you can play stuff from your phone as well, which is great. But yeah, you've got all your normal Google features, which is amazing. You can ask your question, tell it to turn off your lights and stuff like that. If you got smart appliance, if you got your Philips Hue light set, you can change colors and stuff like that, so that's really great. If you're new to Google and if you're looking for a speaker you want to use, do check this one out. It is a bit pricey, but it's an amazing speaker. You get your clock and you get your much louder speaker, so you don't have to go to the Google Max, but you can go for this as well here. But yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one guys. Take care.